This video explains how to construct a rectangle in Geometers Sketchpad using the compass or circle tool and the straight edge or segment tool. To start, press the fourth button down, which is the segment tool, and construct a segment by pressing down on a spot to make the first point and pressing down on another spot to make a second point. Similar to the first parallelogram video, longer segments are more helpful in this situation. Make another segment going in a different direction so that it intersects your first segment. And again, the longer the segment is, the better. Next, select the point tool, which is the second button down, and create the point of intersection of these two lines. Then select the compass or circle tool, which is the third button down, and starting at your point of intersection, create your circle, and it can extend in any direction. Next, select the point tool, which is the second button down, and construct the three remaining points that intersect our two lines. And because we already had one point that was on the line and the circle, we didn't have to construct a fourth. Then select your segment tool, which is the fourth button down, and connect these four intersection points between the circle and the line segments. And now we're going to hide the additional segments and points, the center and the circle. And we're going to go to Display, Hide Objects, which is Control H on a PC or Command H on a Mac. We can verify that it's a rectangle by measuring the segment lengths and angle measures. Let's do the segments first. So if I select all four segments and go to Measure Lengths, we can see that the opposite sides are congruent, which is true. And now we're going to also measure all of the angles. In order to measure angles in Geometers Sketchpad, you need to use three letters. So therefore, if I'm measuring angle A, it has to be the middle letter of my 3 points. So I'll do BAC first, then go to Measure Angle, and notice it's 90 degrees, which is a characteristic of a rectangle. Let's continue going around. Measure Angle, Measure Angle, Measure Angle, and notice all of these angles are 90 degrees. Therefore, it is a rectangle. If you wanted to, you could take your original point that we had made as the intersection of the circle and the one line segment, and you can make your rectangle bigger and smaller. And notice that the segment lengths only change, the angle measures do not. So the angles will always remain 90 degrees. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope that you have a great day.